Santosh, these days you're writing so much. Everywhere you started writing. You started writing articles, you started writing blogs. Why? What is the reason behind it? Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I'm going to talk about 3 reasons writing can be a introvert's secret weapon. I used to think a lot almost 1 year before writing because I hate reading. Because of that, I never used to focus on writing. I used to believe that I'm a bad writer. But as an introvert, I have a lot of feelings inside me. I have a lot of ideas inside me. So, reasons which made me also realize that writing is my secret weapon. So, let us see what are that 3 reasons. The first, organizing your thoughts. As an introvert, I will be having lot of thoughts in my mind. Lot means lot of ideas will be coming up because I will be with me, right? I will be in my solitude. I will be enjoying that solitude a lot. Because of that, I will be keep thinking on whatever I want, the visualization. So lot of things will be popping up in my head. Because of this, I have ideas, but I will forget after some time. So then I started writing. So from there, I understood that I have to write my thoughts, otherwise I will forget after some time. So because of that, I can organize thoughts and I can make my thoughts come into reality. So I have downloaded a lot of apps for it and tried. Whenever I get thoughts, I started writing them everywhere, whenever I get time. Whenever I am driving bike as well, I stop my bike aside and I will write my idea. So that is what the first reason, organizing your thoughts. The second is about it empowers to handle conflicts. So this is very important. So conflicts will be there in your head. Sometimes you will feel low. Sometimes you will feel overwhelmed. Sometimes you will feel depressed. So at that moment, we have to capture what exact feeling made you so. So I have learned this technique recently from my mentor. So my mentors told me, whenever you feel down, Santosh, write down your thoughts. What made you to go down? Sometimes what happens is, because of one thought, one more thought comes into picture. One more thought comes into picture. So I will be having multiple thoughts which makes me down. So this is actually will be on top of each other. So right. So we have to reopen that layer slowly. So because of this, my mind sometimes will be completely going into depression. So from last few months, I started writing the thoughts which are coming in my mind. That too, especially the negative thoughts. Whenever a negative thought comes into my mind, I started writing the exact opposite. That means in a positive way. If I get a thought of I'm a bad speaker, I started writing I'm a good speaker. I can do well. I can practice it 2 more times. So in this way, the conflicts of whatever thoughts I'm getting, I started writing them and it became a habit for me. So now it is becoming a positive side, so I can actually control my thoughts, right? So that is what empowering your conflicts. Third is about you can make your career as well, right? So now people are asking me, Santosh, why are you writing blogs? They are my thought process. Whatever the first point I told you, right? I organized my thoughts and I started writing somewhere. So because of that, it become I can tell it's a freelancing thing for me. I don't do it for money, but I do it for free. So whenever a thought comes into my mind, I started writing a story. A small line comes into my mind, I started writing a story on top of it. So in this way, the third thing can be definitely useful for you, because I have seen a lot of websites. Where introverts write blogs a lot. So even I have seen people who are great writers, then comes they are an introvert. So I have seen that. I hope this helped you a lot, you also. So start writing. If you are an introvert, definitely start writing because it can make your thoughts aligned. I hope you loved this video, guys. If you love this video, hit the like button, hit the bell icon to get notified and subscribe to my channel. I will be seeing you in the next episode of the series, of this video series. Thank you. Have a nice day.